Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 7. And I have paired the new DJI Mic to the Sony ZV1. And I gotta say, I really like the receiver on the mic too, because it actually turns on and off with the camera. Even though it's a totally different ecosystem, I guess it just senses when it's on or needs to be on and when it needs to be off, and it just turns off automatically and on automatically, which is awesome because a lot of times I forget to turn it on. Never really to turn it off because it has an auto off feature, but to turn it on, I sometimes forget, and then I don't get very good audio. So hopefully the audio is okay. I am still working out all the settings and all that stuff, so I'm starting from scratch again. There's actually a cool feature, which I haven't tested yet on the mic, where you can actually set it to whatever camera you have and it will automatically choose the best audio setting. Anyway, I have to get going because I have to drop Allie off at daycare, so I'll show you my outfit. This is what we are wearing. It's basically a version of what I wore the other day, but in just different colors. So instead of navy pants, I'm wearing black pants. Instead of a cream colored cashmere, I'm wearing a camel colored cashmere. Both are from Uniqlo. I am going to wear my new leopard flats, but I've already packed those in my bag to head out the door. I'm home, and it was kind of a snowy drive, as you guys would have seen. I took that photo on the Ray-Ban Metas that I have, but I am going to put together an IKEA desk. It's the one I picked up the other day to replace the one I currently have. I don't know if I mentioned it, but we actually have an elevator at our new house. It is very convenient to move furniture around or bring things up and down the stairs. It might be a little bit awkward to carry. That is essentially what we use it for. On second thought, I won't be able to put the desk together until the girls, at least one of the girls, is sleeping. But I will show you quickly the space in our bedroom where I'm going to put the desk. So here is like this little alcove off of our main bedroom. Eventually I would, this might look familiar, first of all, for all of you OG watchers. So this used to be in the beauty room, and it has made a resurgence into this room. I would like to eventually have custom built-ins here, but again, that's for a after we sell our house kind of project. So this is the desk that I have been using for work. I have like a monitor on there, a keyboard, I have the chair, so I just need like a slightly bigger desk. I am going to put that one on Facebook Marketplace to sell, and yeah, just kind of tidy up a little bit here. We don't have curtains yet in this room. We don't have curtains yet in most rooms. We actually are going to be replacing a lot of our windows. So none of our fixed windows, but our big windows like this one, there's another one on the other side. There's mirroring ones in Allie's room. We're gonna have those replaced. We actually already ordered them. I'm just not sure when they're supposed to be coming. We're supposed to also be getting a front door. Also no ETA on that. I feel like we ordered it back in October. So I was hoping to have it in by now, but we kind of have to just follow up and see where it's at, because our current door is, I hate it. It's like a French door, and it just like is old and gross. And so our new door is like a 36-inch door with the 2 side lights. I think it's gonna look really good. Anyway, that is the evening so far. We had dinner, just kind of getting the girls ready for bed, hopefully soon. It's actually quite early. It's snowing, the weather is taking a bit of a turn, so I came home a little bit earlier than usual, plus the beau actually is home now, if I didn't mention it. So he was able to pick up Chloe and Allie from school and daycare, so we were all home early, which has been nice, but also hard to get things done. Hello, it is late into the evening now, so I have finished baking the brownies for Chloe's school's bake sale, which is during their like Christmas night. So I had to wait for it to cool. So while I waited for it to cool, I built the IKEA desk, which looks actually pretty good. I'm not totally done yet, but it's, well, I'm done building it, but I haven't moved anything onto it yet. But I had to wait for this to cool completely so that I could put it in the fridge because I'm not actually decorating it until tomorrow. So I have to make sure it is wrapped tightly. I haven't tried one yet, but they did look like they turned out well, so hopefully they're good. So tomorrow I have a half day at work so that I could finish the brownies. We're also having like a little holiday lunch at a sushi place that should be good. So today was a pretty quiet day, one of those days where you're just kind of busy working and doing kind of mundane day-to-day things. So I will see you likely tomorrow. Good morning. I'll show you what I'm wearing before I head off to work. I am trying to get to work a little bit early so I can decorate my office space a little bit, but so far not looking good. This is what I'm wearing. I think this is not all Uniqlo, but the cashmere is Uniqlo. I got it a few years ago. I haven't bought any new cashmere since probably 2-3 years ago. I really should have when they were on the Cyber Monday sale, but I forgot to check out. And Uniqlo actually stays true to what they offer. And it was only a one-day sale, and so I missed out. Bummer. But I'm sure they'll go on sale again eventually, and I might pick up a couple different styles. I really like the crew necks. This one is a V-neck. I kind of prefer the crew neck, I think. But anyway, Uniqlo cashmere. Pants are RW & Co. actually. I'm not wearing shoes, but I'll probably wear loafers. And I guess that's it. I've been wearing my Missouri necklace combo for the last few days because I really love it. I wanted to wear something more festive because we're having our unit lunch, like holiday lunch today. This is the most color I own in my wardrobe. I'm at Michael's right now. I'm just here to pick up some things to decorate the brownies with, but also Christmas is basically over. All the Christmas things are gone. They're on sale, so maybe I can find something cute. But yeah, it's not even the 25th yet, and they've moved on to other things now at Michael's. Okay, I am in the throes of finishing off these brownies before Chloe gets home. So these are for her school function today. These are kind of all the little odd pieces that aren't good enough to put in the bake sale. I am making like brownie Christmas trees. So I have all the ingredients. I've already made my icing. It's this beautiful green color. I have to put in a piping bag. And then I got some decorations. So I was told that the best type of food coloring is the gel, food color gel. So I picked up like a box of just the primary colors from Michael's. And then I also got this because I thought it would be cute for decorations. And also there's like cute little stars here. So I thought I'd just put that at like the top of the tree. So anyway, I'm doing that. I'm rushing. I made the brownies last night, as you guys know, and I think they turned out good. I had like a little sneaky taste of some of the rejects, and they were pretty good. We had our big unit lunch today. So there was that. We went to a sushi place and it was good. The place that we went actually also had a little robot that was delivering the food, which I thought was the cutest thing. I should have cut the edges off because the edges are a little bit firm and it's hard to get the candy canes in, but I forgot. So we're just cutting them as we go along. They still look pretty good actually. Ugh, let me wash my hands again. We're back. Okay, this is how they're looking so far. I will come back when they're all done. I have successfully finished decorating the brownies. I'll show you guys how they look. Here they are in all their glory. So obviously it's a brownie. I did like little green icing here and then the sprinkles. And I tried to put a little star at the top of each one, which I think looks really cute. I just have to wait for these to dry a little bit. I got these little bags to put them in just so that they are easier to bring home. And that's it. Although I have to tidy up the mess behind me, baking, all the bakers out there. I don't know how you do it. It's very messy business, and then having to tidy everything up is a little bit of a nightmare, but I have done it. I have successfully, well, not 100% successful because I did lose a piece in the process, but for the most part, brownies are done. Hopefully they dry. Maybe I'll like put them in the fridge or something so they dry a little quicker because yeah, I want to package them up. I have to drop them off at 4:30. So there's that. That's when I have to go and help set up. Luckily my mom is here, so she's actually going to, I'm picking Chloe up soon from school, and then she's gonna hang out with her. The boat's gonna pick up Allie, and then I guess they will meet me at Christmas family night. I'm not entirely sure what's happening yet. Okay, I am heading out to help get the Christmas night thing going. Since I'm on the parent council, I have to be there for 4:30 to help set up. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. I did change because my cashmere sweater is a little too warm for the evening. So this is what I am wearing instead. So these are the jeans, my new favorite jeans from the Gap. They're the barrel jeans. Sweater is from, it's like a cardigan jacket kind of knit vibe, and it is from Uniqlo. Do we say Uniqlo or Uniqlo? I kind of alternate between the two depending on the sentence I'm saying. I feel like I'll start calling it Uniqlo because that sounds fancy. But then the shirt I'm wearing is also from Uniqlo. It is the one with like the built-in bra, but it's the full length, I think heat tech racer back or like tank top. Anyway, love these a lot. I hope they come out with more colors. Hello, I am home from the Christmas fun night. Fortunately, the night did not turn out the way I thought it would be. I thought it was only going to be setting up and getting to like hang with the fam and then partake in my portion of the bake sale. However, I ended up manning the face paint station the whole night, so basically from 6 up until 7:30. So yeah, didn't get to spend that much time with my fam while they were there. The beau only brought Chloe, and Allie stayed home with my mom and hung out with her. And I'm trying to think what else happened. Oh, so when I got there, all the baked goods were there, and basically like they get priced at, it's very subjective, but the prices went from 50 cents to $3. So there's 50 cents, $1, $2, $3. And my offering got placed on the $2 table. I was telling the beau that I strive next year to be on the $3 table. But it was a great success actually, because all of the items, well, the brownies that I brought, they were all sold out, which is perfect because that means like they weren't wasted. I only brought 25 in total. I had 26, but I gave one to Chloe. So I only had 25. So at $2 a pop, they made 50 bucks. So all the money goes back to the school. I'm not sure what, I guess the bake sale is like very popular. Obviously, this is our first year attending because it's Chloe's first year of school. But yeah, it was very popular. I would say they probably made like $1,500 because there was so much stuff. Well, maybe $1,500 is a little excessive. Maybe probably $1,000. But anyway, they had a lot of offerings, and yeah, next year I strive to be on the $3 table. But anyway, but I am beat. I got home maybe at like 8:15 because I stayed to help tidy up and all that fun stuff. And so I am gonna call it a night, basically. This weekend is kind of a low-key weekend. We are having like a little play date on Sunday with one of my friends, and then she has a daughter and a son, and her daughter is almost the same age as Chloe. They're about a year apart. But instead of usually we exchange gifts for each other as kids, but instead we're doing like a fun little experience where they're gonna come over here and we're gonna do or make Christmas ornaments and also decorate some gingerbread. So I have to do that. I have to find a recipe, a gingerbread recipe. If I can like buy a pre-made one, I will, because I don't even really think that Chloe likes to eat the gingerbread. She just likes to decorate, as most kids do. So yes. Oh look, see, I have like a little snowman. This is one of the offerings. We kind of tried to limit what we were offering just so that we could get through as many kids as possible. So we did like reindeer, snowmen. There's a couple of grade 7 students there, and so I was just following their lead. They had like a cute little Pinterest board. I am going to finish setting up my desk that I built because I want to put my printer together so that I can print some stuff. I kind of want to get back into making stickers, which I have a printer now to do, and I just have to find all the other stuff I need. Like I'm pretty sure my silhouette's floating around somewhere. It might even be upstairs. I just don't know. And sticker paper, but that might be a thing I bring back in 2025. Okay, no more ranting or chatting. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.